Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today at Solvetic, we will show you how to view thread followers. We start by opening threads and then we go to either our profile or the one we want to consult. After that, if we look under the username, we will see the number of followers and we can click on it. Finally, we will be able to see the accounts that follow you, and also the pending requests. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.